Storm's Tag Channel here, and today I'm doing a new video about the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy A14 5G is now here at Cricket Wireless as of January 13th. So Friday the 13th. So the Galaxy A14 is a new budget 5G smartphone for Cricket. It's available now for $189.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A14 is worth checking out here. So this is an update of the Galaxy A13 from last year. It looks very similar to the Galaxy A13. It has similar specs and everything else, except for the Galaxy A14 has newer hardware and stuff like that, newer software and stuff. So, yeah. But other than that, the two phones, the Galaxy A13 and the Galaxy A14, are similarly spec'd and look identical. So, yeah. So the Galaxy A14 5G is available in black. So 64 gigabytes of storage here. If you're a new customer, it's $189. Current customer $189. So I don't know if there's any discounts. Probably not. Nope, it's $189. Don't matter if you're a new customer, current customer, whatever. So yeah, keep that in mind. Alright. So the Galaxy A14 is right here. You guys see the phone. Very nice looking phone. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Very nice looking wallpaper, kind of reminds me of the Galaxy A23's wallpaper a little bit. So pretty nice. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. And you do have a bit of a camera bump, so keep that in mind. Alright. Then on the back of the Galaxy A14 5G is your triple camera system. Camera flash, Samsung logo is available, and you're gonna have a plastic back to it here, so keep it in mind. And your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well. You guys can also pay monthly for this phone at $11 a month at 0% APR with the firm, so you guys have the option to pay for it monthly. So there you go. So the Galaxy A14 5G has 6.6 inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 64 gigabytes of storage. Says that it's easy to stay connected to the people and content you love with Galaxy A14 5G. Beautifully capture the moments that mean the most with an incredibly detail-oriented wide lens. The infinite display makes playing your favorite games or The infinite display makes playing your games an edge-to-edge experience, and with virtually lag-free 5G and a long-lasting battery, you'll beat your high score in no time. Features: it has a high-resolution camera, awesome value, capture amazing selfies with a 13 megapixel front camera, and get all the action in high res that will take people's breath away. But the triple camera system, Galaxy A14 5G helps you unlock your inner photographer for an incredible value. An amazingly crisp display. Press play and experience your games and videos like never before with Galaxy A14 5G, a 6.6 inch edge-to-edge display and edge-to-edge screen. It lets you catch all the details while an adaptive 90Hz Infinity V Full HD Plus display makes enjoying your favorite shows easy. Keep up with a long-lasting battery. Stay ready for today's surprises with the fast-charging, long-lasting battery of Galaxy A14 5G. Confidently handle work while on the go and play your favorite games to your heart's content with a battery that gives your charger a break. Specs: the Galaxy A14 has Android 13 on board with One UI 5, so that's very nice. Dimensions: 6.6 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. 6.6 inch display. Full HD Plus LCD display, so your standard display. There's nothing special about the display. It is an Infinity V display, 90 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty cool. 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Your connectivity options for the Galaxy A14 include Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and AC, mobile hotspot of course, Wi-Fi calling Type-C, and your Bluetooth 5.2. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Type-C to Type-C there, so yeah, you'll need a charger for that. You get 3 cameras in the back like I mentioned, 50 megapixels, 2 megapixels, and 2 megapixels. The 50 megapixel is your main camera. You get a 2 megapixel macro camera and then a 2 megapixel depth camera in the back along with the camera flash. 13 megapixel front facing camera, 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor, which is a MediaTek processor there, so keep that in mind. 5,000 mAh battery, and then there's your hearing aid compatibilities there. Accessories, they do have accessories for this phone. They got a couple of cases and stuff like that here. Yeah, all they're showing here is cases, but you can go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A14 to see the accessories. You can probably type in Galaxy A13 to get accessories for the A14. So I think the cases and stuff should fit the Galaxy A14. They should. If you guys go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A13 5G accessories and whatnot, you guys should be able to get stuff there, and it should be able to fit the Galaxy A14. It should. I'm not sure about that. You guys would have to compare the two phones, but both phones look similar and they have similar specs and whatnot. So it's worth checking out. It's just worth checking out before you guys purchase anything. So do that, and yeah. Oh shit. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is not here at Quick and Wireless. It's available now for $189.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A14 is worth checking out here. It's a very nice looking phone. It looks like the Galaxy A13 from last year. So if you guys had that phone right now, it might not be worth upgrading it because it's basically pretty much the same phone, except for this one comes with Android 13. But other than that, the two phones are similar in terms of design, specs, and whatnot. So yeah, you guys should be able to use accessories from the Galaxy A13 on this one. I don't see why not. So there you have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It blesses me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.